showed y'all a couple steps as examples. We did like an 8-count circle, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Then we did quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow. The thing we worked on today was just extending steps by thinking of these 2-count chunks. You got your quick, quicks, and you got your slows. Slows, slows. This is the slow, and this is the slow. Slow because I'm talking about where my body weight goes. I'm changing my weight slowly in 2 beats, even though it's a triple step. On a step, you'll either change your weight twice or not at all. So we call those quicks. So when we're doing this once again, we work on extending things. Quick, quick, slow, by adding more quick quicks in the middle. And then getting a nice finish to it. Another thing we try sort of more fundamentally is just getting really mushed up close and leaders pivoting around slowly or quickly. So when we're here, rock, step, slow, 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 slow. Quick, 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 slow, slow, slow. And it's really about how I move myself. I can move myself with that skill. And I think that's hard.
Yeah, in other words, you don't really want to think about like where your feet are landing. Move this first, and then like don't decide where your feet land.
The homework is come up with another step that extends that step in the middle of things, so it goes beyond 8 counts. It's extend that step. You want to have a nice ending as well. Remember, you're talking to this part of the partner. You're not talking to the feet. So you have to say something here that's clear enough to make the feet change, and that's probably about how you dance as well, leaders. So we want leaders being really clear with what they do and having a nice finish to the step. Followers kind of commit to the step and don't figure it out. Respond to it almost like walking with it. That's your homework. Good luck, everybody.